Hi everybody! In today's video we'll see how to multiply two numbers in a fun, easy way. Let us say you want to multiply 54 with 36.
So first, you multiply the first digits of both the numbers.
5 times 3 is 15, you write it down. Then you multiply the second digits of both the numbers. 4 times 6 is 24, you write it down. Then you multiply the outside digits. 5 times 6 is 30, and then the inside digits. 4 times 3 is 12. And 30 plus 12 will give you 42. So you write 42 right under 1524 and you add the two numbers. 1944 is the right answer for 54 times 36. Interesting, isn't it? But you must be wondering, maybe this method seems much more difficult than your usual stack method. But once you get a hang of it, you will see this method is going to be very easy and helpful for you. Let's try it with another number, 43 times 24. Now, you multiply the first digits, 4 times 2 is 8. So you write 08 because it has to be a two-digit number. Then you write 3 times 4, that is 12. Then you multiply the outside digits, 16. Then inside digits, 6. 16 plus 6 is 22. You add 22 to 0812 and the right answer is 1032. Interesting. Okay, we'll try it with some big numbers this time. So let's say the number is 76 times 97. First, you multiply the first digits. 7 times 9 is 63. Then second digits is 6 times 7, that is 42. So you write down 6342. Now, you multiply the outside digits. 7 times 7 is 49. Then inside digits, 6 times 9 is 54. So 49 plus 54 is 103. You write 103 below 6342 and add the two numbers. You get 7372, which is the right answer for 76 times 97. Interesting. Yes. Stay tuned for many more such interesting tricks. Bye-bye.